everyone. I hope you are doing fantastic. Today, we'll be looking at the fourth I am statement from Jesus. I am the shepherd. And this is found also in chapter 10, but in verse 11. I am the good shepherd. The good shepherd lays down his life for the sheep. This is profound. Jesus making it very clear that he is the shepherd from Ezekiel 34. Ezekiel 34, the promised good shepherd, the one who leaves the 99 and pursues the one who lays down his life, the suffering servant. It is a claim to divinity, another one, and rightly so, because he is the divine Son of God. This is amazing. But this also further exclaims that Jesus provides safety and shelter from false prophets. He who hears my voice will come. He will recognize my voice because I am his shepherd. So false teachers, beware. Jesus is saying that he is the good shepherd and he is coming back. He's coming back. And he shows the depth of his love. He
1 hour later,
contrasting himself with a shepherd. This is, or relating himself with a shepherd. But they don't normally die for their animals. But Jesus died for those who trust in him. Guys, this is profound. This is profound. The theological depth of this, to stir our hearts, not to an emotional response, but to run to the shepherd, to run to him who actually gives protection and rest. And on top of that, he gives it eternally. This is amazing. I hope you learned something new. Have a good one.
Drop a like, drop a comment, and please subscribe. Thank you.